Yeah.
Yeah,
but,
right. Yeah.
but it will be nuclear powered, and it's going to be a very, very capable system. So I don't think it's fair to do a comparison, because the cost of our system is a lot lower, right? But if somebody would come out and say, we have a requirement for this mission to do coring of rocks, to get through the oxidized surface of the surface on the rocks. And everybody knows that the rocks on Mars get oxidized and they get this thing, and you really want to, in some cases, you want to grind into them. We can't grind. We don't have the strength, energy, and power to do that. So you say, our robots are no good. Yeah. But then you say, okay, let's go down a cave. Well, you're not going to drive a golf cart down a cave. It'd fall off, go down, and be a pile of stuff. Never come out, never go anywhere. So it depends upon the mission. I think they're complementary. I think there are different missions that can be done by different systems. And so to compare cost and capability, risk-benefit kind of thing is a difficult one to do. You have to. I think what we're trying to do is to put another tool in the arsenal or the toolbox of mission planners to say, what do you want to do? There are other people working on micro air vehicles to fly around on Mars. So there are different notions about different systems. This is one design, which I think has a lot of potential.
Thank you.
And it's and the other point is the other argument that people always ask, where do men fit into planetary exploration? Why should we send men to Mars? And there's good arguments on both sides. And we say for our systems, we can put them in their backpack, and so it's perfectly compatible with a manned space flight sent to Mars. Yeah.
Could these be seen more like a reconnaissance type thing, where they would direct where men or more advanced vehicles would later explore?
They certainly could, particularly with caves. I think that would be certainly a reasonable mission, where you would not try to send an astronaut down into a cave, okay, where you would lose all communications with him for some period of time, and he may not be able to climb back out, even though you don't know what's going to happen, ropes and stuff, and but if you had clear signals that you went down there, and these little microbots sent back pictures of Coke cans on Mars, you might say, it'd be worth designing a mission with astronauts to go down there and see who's down there, Coke or Pepsi, I don't know which one it is.
Elvis's footprints.
No, Elvis.
You don't know.
You sure?
He's guessing Elvis, but nobody knows that for sure. That's classified. Any other questions? Well, thank you very much for listening.